Hey you guys, welcome back. So today I am about to go inside of Dollar Tree to see if there's anything new that pops out at me. It is raining. Can you see the rain on the window? It is raining in San Diego, which will probably only last a couple hours because we hardly get rain. But well, I'll take that back because for some reason this year it rained a lot. But that's a good thing. But I'm gonna go in here and let me quit running my mouth. I'm gonna go in Dollar Tree and see what we can find today. Okay, so of course I always like to go to the beauty aisle first, but they have a bunch of the sponges sitting on the end right here. I mean, they're like fully stocked with the sponges. See a bunch of those. What's down there? More bath bombs by Bolero. Wow, they got a bunch of those sponges. Look at that. Like rows and rows of them. Okay, let's start over here and see what we can find. Still the Summer Lights. The Colorista. Bees up here. Nothing else popping out at me. The soft soaps. This is Dermasil body wash. Sweet cherry scented. Let's see, behind me there was some Scunchie Girl. So these are for little girls. There's those. I thought those were pretty. You get 3 pieces on one, so that's not bad. But the glitter came off of it. Here's some more of the Hollywood Rose. Expressions, clasp free. You get 18 of them. Oh, what is this? A Remington hairband. It's kind of pretty. It has that on the end of it. This one. Then you got these goody stay put elastic bands. I need some bobby pins. I'll have to come back, but I don't see black. Wait a minute, they don't have black bobby pins? I don't really want that color. They don't have no black ones today. That's cute. Okay, over here they got the Spa Naturals bath bombs, coconut and strawberry. Somebody left a comment saying they didn't like the way those smelled. I didn't purchase any of those, so I don't know. But then I just saw this Healing Heat Code. Healing Heat Code, Heat and Cold Comfort Gel Filled Migraine Wrap. Helps relieve stress, tension. Yeah, so that's just one of those things that you put on your head. Put on your head when you have a headache, so you can either warm it up or put it in the freezer. And it has a little strap around the back of your head. That's pretty cool for $1. And they must have just put those out because they got a bunch of those right there. There's the charcoal wipes. There's more of the girls' little satin caps by Goody. The silicone makeup applicators. The only makeup I see is still the Sinful colors. I see the lip glosses and the lipsticks. Oh, there's the all over highlighter sticks. They still have those. And Shady Babe, the eyeshadows. I actually put these on, the 2 that I showed you guys. I put them on last night actually. These were okay. This one was kind of okay. They didn't stay on like my other ones normally do, and this one definitely didn't stay on. But you know, with some help I got it to stay on for a little while, and I can say my lips were a little moisturized. Nothing that I'll be like, oh, I need to go back and get more of those. They were all right. But yeah. Okay, I also showed these in that video, and Pooh Bear love these. Now I will say they work really good. You put the barrel in there and you can just shoot it and they all will pop out. But I will tell you this is really, really loud. It's like a, you know, those old school pop guns that had the, you know, it makes smoke come out of it. I'll just say that. So if you don't really like loud noises, you won't like this, but they actually work really good. Oh look, they got some more trinket dishes. These are cute because they're clear with gold. This one says love yourself. More sleep, more music, more coffee, more dancing, more happy, more love. Can you see that? Yeah, that's what that one says. This one is still in the plastic, but it says never stop dreaming. Find beauty in the small things. And I think that's it as far as the trinket dishes. Those are kind of cute though. More of the cactus signs right here and those other ones. Oh, somebody came over and organized the stationery area because it is really, really organized. Sometimes this can be a mess. This is pretty. You belong among the wildflowers. Line paper. Strokes of genius. I'll put those right there. Girl power. Your attitude determines your direction. They always have super cute notebooks. And I don't need any more. I don't see any new stickers today. I do like those though. The little mason jars and the little bottles. There's the perfume bottles. Okay, so they put out a lot more of the Memorial Day or 4th of July stuff. You got 16 hot dog holders in 2 different patterns. Table decoration, these stars, silver, 6 paper trays, same pattern as the hot dog holders. They got these pretty plates, star plates. I see red and blue. And then down here you got these bottles with the straws. These are always here though. These are some cute headbands right here. Looks like a little crown. Then you got this one that has all the stuff coming off of it with the stars on the top. Scarves. I like that one with the firecrackers or fireworks. Let's see, look at that tote bag. These are big. That's larger than the normal size bag. Oh, look at that one. America the Beautiful. Says it on both sides. And then you got that one right there that says Land of the Free. And one with the fireworks on it. And then here's some more decor over here. You can get 2 bandanas right here. This picture is cute. Proud to be an American. I like that. I like how it spins like that. Back there, it's home of the free because of the brave. And then you got that one. And then these 2 over here. Cute little butterfly wings. It's quiet in here, huh, you guys? Oh, it's really quiet. 5 mini hats. Table scatter. Those are really pretty. Some more bows. And then look at these little... Where did I just see one of these at? Oh, that was at Michael's. But it was big and it was for summer. But look at him. That's kind of cute. That's the only one I see is like just the dogs. But that's cute. And I have been through the graduation day stuff before, so I'll kind of just skim right past it. They have the tassel, keychain tassels right here. Cups. Yeah, just the same stuff they always put out. These are cute. They got all different colors. Here's all the Mother's Day stuff right here. You got the boxes down there, some cups. These like card holder, little containers. The butterfly candle holders. And then more of the wax warmers. Well, look, pack and snack, leak-proof, airtight lids. You get 3. So you get 3 bowls and 3 tops. I see green and blue. Here's some cute hair clips. I see the pink, look like little seashells. I see pink and this green. Oh, look at these novelty pins. They kind of have an ombre look to them. Purple on top, blue on the bottom, or you can get all silver, or pink and purple. Those are cute. Oh my goodness, look at those mermaid party hats. So they would look like that. How funny. And they're sparkly. I see that kind of blue. There's 2 different kinds of blue. That one, see how the one on top is a little darker. They have purple. And I see this pretty pink. Okay, the only thing I see new in the food section are these Kentucky, I'm not sure how to say that, Italian biscotti with almonds. Oh, product of Italy. How many do you get? Well, it just says 4 ounces. So I guess you get the little biscuits in there. Oh, and these are really good too. The strawberry flavored. They always carry like the chocolate one, and they recently had started, they usually carry these right here. Those. But they had recently started carrying the strawberry ones, and they are super good. Okay, what is this? The Quick Whisk Mini. Force twist. Just push and mix to cook like a pro. Oh, okay. So you just push it down and it whisks for you. That is cool. I don't even need one of these, but I'm gonna buy it today. And they're all black. They have the little, if it's stainless or black, marked on the top. I only see black. Oh wait, no. I see one that's stainless back there. I'm gonna get the stainless one. Oh, here's some giant kind of cups. They look a little weird. See how they're kind of like, I don't know, made different. They're really big though. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, this store is really quiet, really empty. I'm gonna get out of here. I just wanted to show you guys whatever I could see today, because like I said, I'm out and I just wanted to stop in Dollar Tree. So I'll talk to you all in my next video. Okay, bye.